All right, so we're showing you on the 2010 Toyota Prius how to replace the thermostat. This is the third generation, and mine keeps locking itself. Hopefully yours doesn't do that. This plastic has to come off first. All right. There it is down there. The light is too bright for the video. So which hose was that? The lower radiator hose?
Yes,
okay.
Behind the water pump.
So drain the coolant. Okay.
The screw.
So there's 2 screws on the front side and 1 on the back. There and there. That screw, this screw, and then there's 1 more behind it.
I can't work.
That's fine, I'll just pause it. There it is right there. It's got 1 hose coming out of it with a hose clamp. You got to take that off. We had some trouble with the hose clamp, so we're taking off the dipstick. There was 1 screw to the left, and then this harness wire was clipped onto a bracket, so we took those 2 off. Right here. That'll make it easier to get that hose clamp. Calling in the big guns. That hose clamp really doesn't want to come out.
Let's go and see.
seems like it's totally stuck. Prying it out a little.
Asfaltчика i raz boltu.
It's in a bad spot. Alright, and for putting it back, you just reverse the steps, and we'll show you guys bleeding once we get to the bleeding section. Everything is installed. You want to get in the car, turn it on, and tap the gas a few times, and then set your heater to high mode. Turn this up, make sure the defrost is not on, have it on recirculate, because we're going to be bleeding the air pockets out of the coolant system. So now my fans are blowing hot, and then this will warm up in a second and it'll start to bleed, and you'll see the air pockets coming up. See, we had actually filled the coolant to halfway, and it already went all the way back down pretty much. So I'm going to fill it up some more and tap the gas a few times. We have a big funnel on here because the coolant level goes up and down while it's bleeding sometimes, and this helps prevent overflow. I tapped the gas a few times and the coolant went even lower. I'm going to fill it up right now. Alright, so coolant was added while I was away from the car. My dad actually did it. And so everything is in there now, and it's ready to go. So I'm beta testing it. We weren't too sure if it was the thermostat. I wasn't. My dad is sure of it. I wasn't too sure if it was the thermostat. So I'm curious to see if it will still get hot. For me, it was happening after about 30 to 35 minutes of driving upwards of 55 miles an hour. If I drove on the streets or below 50 miles an hour, it would not heat up as far as I'm concerned. As far as I know, it went really like over an hour on the streets, and it never got hot. It would only overheat on me on the freeway. So we're gonna take it to LA hopefully next week and give it a nice test to see if that solved the problem. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you got this far, I appreciate you and your support. And like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, yeah, just drop a comment with what kind of content you like, and maybe we can make it happen. Take care. Thank you. Goodbye.